What's the most affordable way to drink clean water without living on a spring?
Even if you are living on a spring, I strongly suggest testing your water. You can have harmful contaminants even in the healthiest, most beautiful looking spring on the planet. So just because it looks great and just because it's called a spring doesn't necessarily mean it's safe. So test your water. If you don't live on a spring and you have got tap water and you want to make it the best possible tap water, well, test your water and figure out what kind of filtration equipment is going to make your water optimal, right? So you'll get your results back. And if there's lead in the water, you'll get recommendations for a particular type of filter. If there's hardness and arsenic in your water, you'll get recommendations for different type of filter. If you don't have the money to do the testing and you just want a kind of silver bullet best guess for a filter without knowing what's in your tap water, then I would buy probably a carbon-based filtration media. And there's a lot of products that have carbon-based filtration media, and they'll all do a pretty good job on generic tap water. Do you have a question about your drinking water still? Go ahead and ask your question in the comments below, or you can go to our blog at mytapscore.com where we have answers to all sorts of popular and common questions there. Either way, look forward to hearing from you. We will catch you next time.